Is Cloudflare stock truly a hidden gem, or is it a high-flying tech play with a valuation that's already priced in its future? This is the central question for every investor looking at Cloudflare, ticker .net, right now. The term hidden gem often implies a company with massive, unrecognized potential, trading at a discount. But when a company has a market capitalization north of $60 billion and a 52-week range that swung from under $75 to over $219, we have to be more nuanced. The reality is, Cloudflare is a complex stock with a compelling story, but also significant risks. Let's break down everything an investor needs to know, with a live, detailed look at Cloudflare's performance, its business model, and what's driving the narrative as we stand on the cusp of late August 2025. The current pulse of the market, Cloudflare Live. As of August 20, 2025, Cloudflare stock closed at $190.75, down from its 52-week high of $219. This recent pullback is a crucial point for investors. Is it a dip to buy, a sign of trouble, or simply a healthy correction after a massive run-up? The stock has seen a significant surge, doubling in value since the end of 2024 and rising over 30% in the last 3 months alone. This explosive growth is not accidental. It's a direct result of several key factors we'll explore. The most recent catalyst for Cloudflare's stock performance has been its Q2 2025 earnings report, released on July 31, 2025. The results were a masterclass in exceeding expectations and reinforcing the bull case. Revenue, $512.3 million, a 28% year-over-year increase. This not only beat analyst expectations of $501.21 million, but also marked a re-acceleration of growth from the previous quarter. Non-GAAP earnings per share, EPS, 21 cents, significantly higher than the forecasted 18 cents. Annual run rate. Cloudflare announced it had crossed a significant milestone, surpassing $2 billion in annual run rate revenue. These numbers are not just good. They tell a story. The re-acceleration of revenue growth is particularly important. In a maturing market, investors often worry about growth slowing down. Cloudflare's ability to defy that narrative and show renewed momentum is a powerful signal. The company's success is being driven by a few key areas. Enterprise customer growth. The number of customers spending over $100 annually is now over 3,700, with 185 new additions in Q2 alone. These large, sticky customers are the backbone of future revenue stability and expansion. AI-powered solutions. Cloudflare is at the epicenter of the AI revolution. Its vast global network of data centers, spread across more than 330 cities, is the perfect infrastructure for running AI applications at the edge, closer to the end user, reducing latency and improving performance. This is a massive market opportunity, and Cloudflare is strategically positioning itself to be a leader in AI inference at the edge. The company is actively integrating AI into its offerings, and this is a significant driver of investor optimism. Zero trust and cybersecurity. In an age of increasing cyber threats, Cloudflare's Zero Trust platform is a critical service for businesses. By providing a secure way for employees to access applications without a traditional VPN, they are addressing a fundamental security challenge. This part of the business is seeing robust adoption, and it's a high-growth, high-margin segment, navigating the risk and the reality of valuation. While the growth story is compelling, no stock is without its risks. And for a company like Cloudflare, the primary concern is its valuation. Valuation multiples. Cloudflare stock trades at a premium. Its price-to-sales (PS) ratio is high, and while it has moved closer to non-GAAP profitability, it's not consistently profitable on a GAAP basis. Investors are paying for future growth, not current earnings. This makes the stock vulnerable to any slowdown in growth or negative news. The recent market-wide markdown of high-growth companies with extended timelines to profitability has put Cloudflare's valuation in a more precarious light. Competition. The cybersecurity and cloud connectivity space is highly competitive. Cloudflare faces off against tech giants like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, as well as specialized players like Zscaler and CrowdStrike. While Cloudflare's unique edge computing model provides a strong moat, the threat of commoditization or aggressive pricing from larger competitors is always present. Macroeconomic headwinds. While Cloudflare has proven resilient, a broader economic slowdown could lead to reduced IT spending by businesses, impacting its sales. Management has noted lengthening sales cycles for larger deals in the past, a trend that could be a headwind. Analyst consensus and the road ahead. The analyst community is largely bullish on Cloudflare, with a buy consensus rating based on recent reports. The average price target is in the range of $192 to $200, which suggests a limited upside from the current price. But the range of targets is wide, from a low of $65 to a high of $255. This divergence in opinion highlights the high-growth, high-risk nature of the stock. What are they looking at? Q3 2025 guidance. Cloudflare has provided strong guidance for the upcoming quarter. Management expects revenue of $543.5 to $544.5 million, representing a 26 to 27% year-over-year growth. This indicates continued confidence in the business. Full year 2025 outlook. The full-year revenue guidance of $2.1135 to $2.1155 billion also implies a healthy 27% growth. Margin improvement. The company's non-GAAP gross margin has been holding steady in the mid-70s, which is a good sign for its long-term profitability goals. The narrative is clear. Cloudflare is a growth company, and it's proving its ability to execute. The investment thesis isn't about deep value. It's about investing in a company that is building the foundational layers of the next generation of the internet. The hidden gem verdict. So, is Cloudflare a hidden gem? No, not in the traditional sense. It is not an undiscovered, undervalued company. However, the term can be reinterpreted. Perhaps the hidden gem is not the stock itself, but the massive, long-term opportunity that is still not fully appreciated by the market. Consider this. Cloudflare's platform is not just about content delivery and security. It's becoming the operating system for the edge. As more computation moves away from centralized data centers and closer to the user, Cloudflare's network becomes a strategic asset of immense value. Its Workers platform, which allows developers to build applications directly on its network, is a testament to this vision. The growth in the Workers developers segment, which has seen a 76% year-over-year rise in contract value, is a powerful indicator of this future. The hidden gem, therefore, is the potential for Cloudflare to become an indispensable layer of the AI and next-gen internet infrastructure, a platform that goes far beyond its current use cases. For an investor, the key is to understand this nuance. You are not buying a cheap stock. You are buying a premium asset in a high-growth market. The decision to invest depends on your conviction in Cloudflare's ability to continue innovating and expanding its market share. The recent pullback from its highs presents an opportunity to enter at a slightly more reasonable price, but the risks of a high-flying, growth-focused company remain. In summary, Cloudflare is a well-known, high-growth stock with a compelling long-term thesis driven by its dominance in edge computing, cybersecurity, and its strategic position in the AI revolution. It is not a hidden gem in the traditional sense, but the opportunities it is pursuing may still be a hidden and massive long-term value driver for patient and confident